वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि पाइथन प्रोग्राम को कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं ऑन लोकल विंडोज़। तो इस वेबसाइट पर से हम लोगों ने पाइथन को डाउनलोड करके इंस्टॉल कर लिया था, जो कोई भी लेटेस्ट वर्जन था उसको। हाँ, पाइथन इंस्टॉलेशन के बाद में हम लोगों को अपने जो डिफ़ॉल्ट टेक्स्ट एडिटर है हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में नोटपैड, उसमें हम लोगों को कैसे इंस्टॉलेशन करना है वो सीखना है। पहले हम लोग पाइथन प्रॉपरली इंस्टॉल हुआ है वो चेक कर लेते हैं नोटपैड में। So our Python installation is properly done. So we have to open the Notepad editor here, and we have to see how to compile and run Python program using basic Notepad editor like Notepad in our Windows operating system. Okay, so first we have to check whether the Python is properly installed or not. Open the command prompt and type Python, and we can see the version of Python which is installed on your local computer. So we can open the Notepad text editor first. Okay, so here we can open the Notepad text editor and type the simple Python code, that is print something like welcome J to the Python programming, and save this program with the program name .py extension, and make sure that it is saved as a type with all files so that it will not create as a text file. Okay, so .py extension is for the execution of Python program. Then open the command prompt to see the output, because it is application program of Python. So we have to reach the default path of the command prompt. So if we can type the program name .python here, then it will not see the output because our program is not there. So we have to reach the specified location where our program is stored. So we have to go on that location here. In our case it is a D colon, and we can see the output after typing the program name .py extension. Okay, or simply we can type to go the desired location directly, type the cmd on the address bar, and we can see the desired location where the program is actually located, and we can type the program name .py extension to see the results. Okay, so in this way we can see the output.